Griffith Observatory is one of the most iconic landmarks in California and a gateway to the wonders of the universe. Located on the southern slope of Mount Hollywood, Griffith Observatory offers not just breathtaking views of Los Angeles, but also an unforgettable journey into space, science, and human curiosity. And the best part, it's been free to visit since it opened in 1935. The story of Griffith Observatory begins with a man named Griffith J. Griffith, who in the late 19th century donated over 3,000 acres of land to the city of Los Angeles, creating what is now Griffith Park, one of the largest urban parks in North America. But Griffith had a bigger vision. After visiting an observatory himself, he believed that access to the stars should not be limited to the scientists or wealthy. He wanted ordinary people to experience the wonders of the cosmos firsthand. His dreams became a reality decades later when Griffith Observatory opened its door to the public completely free of charge, a tradition that continues to this day. From the very beginning, it was designed not just as a scientific institution, but as a place of public education and inspiration. As you approach the observatory, its striking Art Deco architecture immediately captures your attention. Clean lines, symmetrical forms, and a gleaming white facade gives it a timeless, almost futuristic appearance, even by today's standards. As you step inside, you are transported into a world where science comes alive. The interior is filled with interactive exhibits that explore everything from the motion of the Earth to the life cycle of stars. One of the most famous displays is the Foucault pendulum, a simple yet mesmerizing demonstration of Earth rotation. As the pendulum swings, it slowly knocks over pages arranged in a cycle, proving that our planet is constantly in motion beneath our feet. Another highlight is the Hall of the Sky, where visitors can learn about the sun, the seasons, and how Earth interacts with space. Nearby, the Hall of the Eye focuses on how humans have observed the universe throughout history, from ancient astronomy to modern telescopes. What truly makes Griffith Observatory special is its mission. It exists to make astronomy accessible to everyone. Whether you are a curious child, a student, or someone seeing the stars through a telescope for the first time, the observatory invites you to explore, learn, and wonder. Despite being located in a bustling urban environment, Griffith Observatory managed to create a sense of space, a place where you can step away from the noise of the daily life and reconnect with something much bigger than yourself. Over the years, the observatory has undergone renovations and expansion to keep up with the modern technology while preserving its historical charm. Today, it stands as a perfect blend of past and future, honoring its legacy while continuing to inspire new generations. Visiting Griffith Observatory is more than just a sightseeing trip. It's an experience that sparks curiosity, encourages exploration, and reminds us of our place in the universe. It shows us that even in a city known for its entertainment and glamour, there is a space dedicated to science discovery and the infinite possibility of the cosmos.